Hey guys, welcome back to my podcast Motivation Talks with SK. So today we are going to talk about something we all chase in our lives, but often without truly understanding it. That is success. We are taught from a very young age that success means reaching a certain goal, right? A high paying job, a big house, a social status, and whatnot. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, is that really what success means to me? Or is it just someone else's definition that I accepted without even questioning? Because success is not universal, it's deeply personal, right? And if you never redefine it for yourself, you might just end up spending your whole life climbing a ladder that is leaning against the wrong wall and is not yours. Okay? Because most of us grow with the blueprint that is handed to us by family, society, our peers, social media, to graduate from a college, getting a good job, getting promotions, a good house, and so on. Of course, there's nothing wrong with these goals, but the danger is when we blindly follow it without checking or questioning if that goals being set for you or given to you is what you align yourself with. Okay, imagine you love painting. Okay, but because of peer pressure or the fear you have how people would react, you end up pursuing a corporate career that you don't even enjoy, right? And years later, even with that title and really good package of salary, you feel empty. That's not failure. That's not what I meant. It's simply chasing a definition of success that was never yours in the first place. That's not something you earned for or wanted to, right? So, how do you redefine success? Just by asking yourself few powerful questions. First, what kind of life would make me feel proud and at peace with myself? Second, what activities make me feel alive and purposeful? And third, what values most matter to me? Is it freedom, impact, creativity, connection? What is it? Okay, so when you answer those questions honestly, you begin to craft a version of success that is uniquely yours, only yours, right? Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Ahan who worked in a high end marketing firm, and from the outside, he was successful because he had six-figure salary, a luxury apartment, promotions lined up. But inside, he felt drained and unfulfilled. Okay. So one day, Ahan asked himself a very simple question. What would success look like if no one was watching? And the answer he had surprised him. It wasn't corporate recognition. It was teaching underprivileged kids and having the freedom to travel the world. Right? So he made a bold move. He left his job, started a non-profit organization, and though he earned far less money, he felt richer from inside than ever before. Okay? Because his definition of success wasn't about wealth, it was about the impact he created and authenticity. That was very important. Okay? So the point is, success is not about reaching a society's milestone. It's about living your truth, your unique truth, right? It might mean raising a loving family, building a business that changes lives, creating art that touches people, or just simply being kind and showing integrity. Okay? And the only failure we will end up doing is never questioning that definition you're living by. Okay, so today I want you to pause and redefine what success means to you, because when your definition of success aligns with your values, goals, what you're doing, you stop being in a race. Rather, start going towards a journey that is worth waking up to every day, right? Thank you for listening to my podcast. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who might need that little reminder that their path is theirs alone. Okay? And remember, true success is living life on your own terms. Okay? This is me signing off. I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye bye from SK.